Hello everyone. I hope you all are having a great day. Welcome to UPSC IQTab YouTube channel. So, today is a very historic day as our India is going to launch its GSAT-7R communication satellite. It was launched on 2nd November 2025 from Sriharikota, that is in Andhra, and it was launched using India's heavy lift rocket, the LVM-3M5. Remember that this is the heaviest communication satellite ever launched from Indian soil. It weighs around 4,400 kilograms and will work for about 15 years in space. Okay, so you must also know that it will replace the older GSAT-7, also known as Rukmini. Now talking about its importance, this satellite is fully dedicated to the Indian Navy for secure communication. It connects warships, submarines, surveillance aircraft and naval command centers. So just imagine how much important it is. Also keep in mind that it works in multiple bands like UHF, SC and Ku, which makes it hard to jam. Among these, UHF band is especially important because it can communicate with submarines underwater. We can say that this satellite helps India strengthen maritime security in the entire Indian Ocean region. It will also support network-centric warfare and real-time data sharing with like-minded countries in this region. So, this launch can prove to be a big win for vision of self-reliant India in defense space tech. Earlier, we used foreign rockets, but now we launch heavy satellites from Indian soil itself. So we can say that GSAT-7R is not just a satellite, it is a strategic force multiplier for India. That's it for today. Hope you liked this short defense tech update from Indian space sector. If you learned something new, do like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to UPSC IQ Tab. Get ready now. Time for the launch.